Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? In this video, let's try to solve this basic integral using the power rule and some basic algebraic simplification. Before we get into the video, remember that the formula that we'll use of the power integral that is given by integral of x to the power n with respect to x. Remember that it is nothing but x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So you increase that power by 1 and divide by the same power. I hope that makes sense. In order to apply that power rule, we'll have to do some algebraic simplification first. And what do we mean by that algebraic simplification is we have to multiply that square root of x inside of that bracket. So let's see what do we get. So we have integral of square root of x times 1 is square root of x minus square root of x times x is x square root of x. And we are integrating this with respect to x. I hope that makes sense. Now remember that square root of x is nothing but x to the power half. Also remember that the basic law of exponents say that x to the power m times x to the power n is x to the power m plus n. So we'll apply both of these rules here before applying the power integral formulae. So let's see what happens when we do that. So we have integral of this square root of x can be written as x to the power half. So we have x to the power half minus, and we have over here x to the power 1, and remember that this is also x to the power half. Okay, so we can apply the law of exponents over here and we can add those powers up. So 1 plus half. So we'll have x to the power 1 plus half with respect to x. So basically we are applying this law of exponents for these two terms getting multiplied. Okay, now we can simplify this a little bit before applying the power rule. So we have x to the power half minus x to the power, this can be written as 3 by 2 with respect to x. Now let's give that integral to both of those terms. Okay, so we have integral of x to the power half with respect to x minus integral of x to the power 3 by 2 with respect to x. Now we can apply the power integral formula very easily over here. And we can write this as, so we can increase the power by 1. So we have half plus 1 divide by half plus 1 minus x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 divide by 3 by 2 plus 1. And remember to add the constant of integration, the arbitrary constant. See when you are done integrating always. Okay, we can simplify this a little bit. So we have x to the power half plus 1 is nothing but 3 by 2 divide by 3 by 2 minus x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1. If you just cross multiply, this will become 5 by 2 divide by 5 by 2. And obviously we also have constant of integration c. Here you can simplify this a little bit to make it look cleaner. That 2 which is in the denominator goes in numerator. So we have 2 times x to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 minus, even this 2 can go in the numerator, 2 times x to the power 5 by 2 divided by 5 plus constant of integration c, and this is nothing but the final result of the integral we are looking to solve. I hope that makes sense. If you understood this concept and you are looking to master integrals and calculus in general, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I do post calculus content like this every single day. If you don't want to miss it, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you tomorrow.